Hello everyone, this is Sumita and today we are going to learn about a new idiom, a drop in the ocean. A drop in the ocean means that something is of a very small amount when compared to the actual amount that is needed. So it means something that is a very small part of a bigger thing. It therefore means that a thing has little significance when compared to a bigger problem or goal. Let us elaborate. This idiom makes a comparison between a single drop of water and the vastness of the ocean. Just as a single drop of water is insignificant and doesn't affect the overall volume of the ocean, similarly, a small action will not make much difference when a very big amount is required. This idiom is used to tell someone that more efforts or actions are necessary to make a meaningful impact. Let us learn the usage through sentences. Your donation is just a drop in the ocean, but it is much appreciated. Our effort to clean this part of the beach is just a drop in the ocean, but something is better than nothing. Saving a little every day might seem to be a drop in the ocean, but eventually it will reap good results. Planting a tree is just a drop in the ocean to fight climate change. But then little drops of water makes the mighty ocean. So everyone should plant one. Hope you liked this video. If you did like it, please press the like button, subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching.